In this video, we're diving into how to create advanced client dashboards in SuiteDash, a tool that promises to centralize your client management, streamline communication, and give you a lot of customization options. But is it really the best choice for your needs? Let's break it down, step by step, and make sure you're getting the most out of SuiteDash, and also stay tuned till the end because I'll be sharing a powerful alternative that might actually work better for you. So, let's get right into creating those advanced dashboards. First up, when you log into SuiteDash, the main dashboard area is your control center. This is where you'll be adding and customizing client dashboards. It's all about personalization here, and SuiteDash does offer a lot of flexibility with widgets. You can add a range of data points, such as project progress, tasks, documents, and even client-specific details. But be aware, the interface can be a bit overwhelming at first, and getting used to where everything is can take some time. Next thing, SuiteDash gives you the option to design custom fields for each client. This is where you can start adding really advanced elements like forms, custom reports, or analytics that will make your dashboards more tailored. It's important to note that while the customization options are pretty extensive, you may find some limitations if you're looking to integrate with other third-party applications. The platform does support basic integrations, but if you're after a wider range, you might run into some roadblocks. The third thing you need to consider is automation within the dashboards. SuiteDash lets you set up automated notifications or task reminders, which can be a huge time saver for your clients. However, the automation setup isn't as intuitive as some other platforms on the market. It requires some technical know-how, so if you're not a tech expert, you may find it a bit tricky to get things running smoothly. Next thing, data visualization. SuiteDash allows you to create charts and graphs to display data, which is a core feature for advanced dashboards. But here's the downside, the visual tools could use some polishing. They're functional, but not as sleek or user-friendly as some of the alternatives out there. If your clients need top-tier visual reports, this could be a sticking point. Now, let's talk about mobile access. While SuiteDash offers mobile support, it's worth noting that the mobile version doesn't always provide the same seamless experience you get from the desktop version. If you're working on the go, this might not be the most optimal solution for you. It's serviceable, but it does leave something to be desired. The final thing is the cost. SuiteDash can be relatively affordable for smaller operations, but as you scale up and require more advanced features like additional users, integrations, and reporting, the costs can rise pretty quickly. And that's before you factor in the learning curve, which can eat into your productivity as you're trying to get the dashboard just right. Now, before we wrap up, let's take a moment to talk about some alternatives. If your goal is truly to create streamlined, visually appealing, and functional dashboards without the hiccups and limitations of SuiteDash, we've found a platform that might just be the perfect fit. It offers the same flexibility, but with smoother integrations, better automation options, and a more intuitive design process. And here's the best part, we've got an exclusive deal for you. By using the link in the description, you'll get an extended free trial to this alternative software, with added benefits that aren't available anywhere else. If you're looking for advanced dashboards that make managing clients a breeze, this alternative could be exactly what you need. Thanks for watching! Make sure to check out the link below to grab your exclusive trial, and don't forget to explore the alternatives we've recommended if you want to level up your client management today.